Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Wednesday, the 4th of October. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. In Australia, we had the RBA left interest rates unchanged at 1.5%. Although the Aussie dollar initially moved lower at comments that the Aussie dollar is weighing on the outlook of output and employment, it did recover in a day which the Aussie dollar traded in a fairly tight range, considering the high impact rate that rate statement news can have on the markets. So there you have it. From the UK, we saw construction activity contract for the first time in a year, with PMI coming in at 48.1, and that was under the 51.1 forecast. The cable dived yesterday at this news, and there is now concerns that services PMI may also come in under forecast, which is due to be released later today. The GBP USD is currently trading at 132.40. Okay, it is now time to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I have found for us today it's a CAD Swiss on a daily time frame. From the chart that I'm showing you here, we can clearly see that we are in trend. We have pulled back and produced an inside candle situation. Today's candle has just started. It's about 15 minutes into the candle at the moment, and it has already broken through the high. So when you're seeing this trade would have already triggered. So for those of you who are interested, it is set and ready to go. So this is the CAD Swiss on a daily time scale. This is our chart of the day. All right, let's have a look at what's happening in the session that is about to unfold for us. There's a little bit of news today. We have at 7:30 this evening, as already mentioned, from the UK, we have services PMI numbers are due in. Later, just after 11:15, we have the private sector non-farm employment change numbers from the US. At 1 o'clock, we have manufacturing PMI from the US. 1:30 we have crude oil inventories. This also affects Canadian dollar traders, and that's from the US. At 4:15 we have Mr. Draghi will be speaking for the ECB, and at 6:15 in the morning Miss Yellen will be speaking again for the US. So that's all the major highlights for the session that is about to unfold for us. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.